Hello class, this video is for the week of 9/6, the holiday week, starting actually Monday 9/7 technically. I just want to make a couple of comments for the work that's being done. First, there's a good percentage of you that are not properly following the instructions of the assignments. I've been trying to award points for the portions that you are doing, but please, you need to go and look at the instructions, read them carefully, and follow them to the T. If not, you will not be receiving a good grade for the assignment that you do, and depending on how much you deviate from the instructions, you may not receive any points at all. Secondly, as you're moving forward from Targeted Research Assignment 1 into 2 in particular, the idea of it is to find those secondary sources, sources that deal generally with the topic of the drone hovering, and a few of you found secondary sources dealing with discharges of weapons in public or private property. That's all good. And then as you transition to the primary sources, you're going to begin to narrow and find more specifically primary sources that deal with the topic at hand. As you go through your comments on the secondary source side, which most of yours are graded, and I'm working through the rest of them today, keep in mind that you want to find secondary sources, for the future. You want to find secondary sources that are going to generate other sources. For instance, using news articles is not a good idea because it's not going to include additional sources within it. Using a law review is good because that will have additional sources within it. Using a treatise will have additional sources within it. And then you take those sources and you move over to your primary source research, or you take those sources within the ones you found and you look at them to find primary sources. So it's just a good jumping off point as you're looking for or as you're researching particular topics. So if you have any questions, please email me or give me a call, and I hope you have a good week.